Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for coming by, and if you're one of my subscribers, I appreciate you coming back. I have a box to unbox today, and I'm so excited. I feel like it's been too long since we've had a box. And today I have my Sephora VIB unboxing, and I have to tell you, I struggled to place my order online. I never realized how tactile I was, how I like to go to the Sephora and touch everything and make my choices. So this is my original box, but I think I'm gonna hop in my car when I'm done and run to the Sephora and make sure that there's nothing else I need. As I went through the site, I feel like I talked myself out of so many things that I want to go to the store and be sure that I don't have any serious regrets. I already know I have a little bit of regret. But let's get in here and see what I've got. Did you guys do the VIB sale? Did you get lots of goodies? Let me know below what you got. Some of you, I follow your sites and you've already put your videos up and you got some really, there are some of you out there that did really well. I think this is a box of oddness and you're going to be like, Catherine, what were you thinking? I know. I just want to say in advance, I know. All right, guys. So this is what she looks like all packed up. And I have, oh, my little trial sizes on top. Remember when we used to get 3 of these sample sizes? I mean, not that you care if you have 3 little foil packets, but still. I like 3. I felt better about it. But I chose the full cover, oil-free, shine control Bobbi Brown foundations to try because I'm always looking for a new foundation. I haven't tried the Biossance Squalene, and I want to try the, I think it's Squalene and Rose Hip for oil for your face, but they had the peptide eye gel to try. And I thought, well, that sounds like something I want to try. I need some more moisture under my eyes. Aging is not fun, ladies. What do we got in here? I'm gonna put this right in front of me. Now that I have this nice new table up here, I'm going to set it right in front of me. I have, oh, and I placed an order in here. There are some things for my mom, and I have talked the whole world into this, my mother included, the No Problem, which is the primer that we received in one of our boxes, and I love it. It looks like this. A lot of you have probably seen it. Pardon my broken nail. I just broke that little thing right before I came up here to do this. Sadness. But that's one of the things my mom chose, and everything was 20% off, so what a great buy. Okay, well, I told you I got some odd things, and this is one of them. I have decided I'm going to start doing a face mask Friday, because if I make myself do the videos, I will also make myself use all the face masks I have. And I came across this, which is like a silicone face mask. Let me get my glasses. I'll tell you exactly what they call it. A silicone face mask spatula, face mask applicator. But what I thought was so interesting, man, everything is sealed so well. Oh my goodness. But what I thought was so interesting about this, I am totally destroying this box, per my usual, was at this big end, they have a little silicone brushy thing. Are you kidding me with this, people? Goodness. They have a little silicone brushy thing, so when it's dry or it's time to take it off, look, it has little silicone brushes, bristles. I hope you guys can see that. That you just, and it, I don't know how much that's going to help. It feels soft when you do like this. You can feel the bristles. And then this is the end that you just, very intriguing. Face Mask Friday. Be there. Okay, what is next? I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Set Setting Spray. I needed a new setting spray. I had a little bit of the Urban Decay All Nighter left, and I purchased the Morphe. Oh, and that broke me out. So, oh look, oh, so pretty. And I know they say that the glitter is just on the bottle, but I don't care. It's still gonna look really pretty sitting on my vanity. Let's try it right now. I don't think I used setting spray today. Well, let's see if we can get her started first. Oh, look at this. Oh, it smells like summer. Oh, it smells like coconuts and a little bit of vanilla. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it feels nice too. Here is hoping that that smell is not a problem for me because, you know, with my sensitive skin, sometimes fragrance can be an issue. But that is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Set. I will get back to you on what I think of that. Feels nice. Let's see what they say about it. They say nothing They say avoid spraying it in your eyes. I'm serious. There is nothing on here. I guess they figure you'll work it out. Kind of defined in the setting spray. It does tell you the ingredients. It's water, glycerin, things I can't say, which are probably never good. It says that the perfume and the fragrance are the last ingredients, so hopefully that'll mean it won't freak me out. But I feel, oh, it smells so good. I wonder if that's going to go away. I mean, I don't really care because it smells good, but it's a little interesting. Okay, next I have, oh, this is another odd thing. This is the Sephora Collection Give Me Glitter Applicator Set. And it's meant to be like brushes, but the tips are silicone spatulas. And look how pretty. The handles are like, I hope you can get that. The handles are plastic, but they've got that black in them that looks so pretty. Okay, I got these for two reasons. One, to apply glitter. I don't wear much, but in a lot of the palettes that we've been getting from like Boxycharm and everybody else, we've been getting a lot of glitter. And when I read online, people said these things are fantastic for that. Here's the real reason I got them. I have a million little pots. I'm using the Pharmacy eye cream, and to get into it, the hole is smaller than the bottom of the jar. And getting in there with my long fingernails, and you get it up under your fingernails, and I don't like, so I thought I would get these, and anything that I had, oh, this one is just round. This one is flat. Can you see that? This one is just, it's full on round. So this is not the one that I will be using to get into my jars with. This one is just like a flat, I don't think my hand is helping actually. It's just a flat powder. But I thought these would be very useful. One to get my glitter out, and one to get into my pots to keep them all nice and clean. Thumbs up. Next, I have the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Invisible Cover Foundation. This is R230, and it is the Invisible Cover Foundation that I use. I finished it. I just talked about it, I believe, in my empties, and I needed a new one. I still want to try a full coverage foundation, but I'm having a hard time finding one that I think looks decent, and the ingredients are okay with me. But that is that. And R230 is my color. Next, I have a new beauty blender in Electric Violet Swirl. How pretty is she, guys? I have two beauty blenders that I'm using now, and they say, just for the record, that you're only supposed to use them for 3 months. I have two. One that I've been using for Christmas, so that's close to 3 months, and one that is a little older than that. So I decided it was definitely time for, they don't smell, I keep them clean, but I decided it was time for a new one. And I think now that I know you're not supposed to keep them as long, I'm only going to keep one going at a time, but she was so pretty. I knew I wanted her to be the one I had. Okay, next I have another thing for Mom. Mom has short, if you saw her in my video from when we went purse shopping, you know, she has short gray hair, and she wanted to try a new volume and thickening shampoo, so she chose the Amika 3D Volume and Thickening Shampoo. Let's open it and see what it smells like. Oh, it smells nice. It smells like every Amika product ever. You know, that kind of, it's not really floral. It's that smell that's hard to define, but it's definitely Amika. It smells like Amika. Next, I have the Fenty Beauty Concealer. It's the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer. This is another thing I talked Mom into. She got a different color than me, slightly dark, because she is slightly darker than me. This is 120. Let's see if I can get it open without. Yeah. It's still really fair. I mean, we're very fair people, but oh, it's very fair. I hope it works for her. But I love this. I have been using this all winter, and mine is getting close to gone. I think next I might try the NARS. I've heard good things. I've been watching a lot of people with reviews out there, and that is what I'm leaning towards. And that's only, it's not because I don't like the Fenty, but as we've discussed in the past, I have commitment issues, and I move on. That is the Fenty 120 Concealer, Pro Filter Concealer. Okay, next I have, oh, it's tiny. This is tiny. I did not realize it was going to be so small. It is the dry shampoo, the Sephora coconut water dry shampoo. And it is, okay, 2.5 ounces. One could argue if I had read that, I could have assumed it was going to be a pretty small container. Let's open it and see what it smells like. My hair is fresh, but we don't care. It does smell a little coconutty, which is what convinced me to buy it, because I will basically, you can flavor anything coconut smell, and I'm going to try it. Yeah, that actually, of course, I have no idea what my hair looks like now, because, okay. Yay, that was another good try. Another odd thing I purchased was, have you seen this? This is the Sephora Au Soleil Beach Vibes Melting Shower Jelly. And it's just, it's just, oh, my coconut is filling the room. It is just a shower gel. Oh, look, they have to tell me how to use it. That's not a good sign. So we're gonna work this out together. So I'm peeling this little thing off, and then I think it implies that I just squeeze the bottom. Yeah, oh, so it's open or close. Open that way. And then you just, oh, I can show you, I think. You just squeeze the bottom, and that little silicone thing pops up. If you keep squeezing it, it's going to come out that little center section. It did. Interesting. Let's see what she smells like. I'm going to close it for now. Oh, it smells nice. The back of this says that it is the scent of hot sand and manoi oil. All the most unforgettable summers come rushing back. Well, that's very interesting. So that'll be fun to try. It was really inexpensive, like $8 or $10 before the sale. So it was definitely worth trying. What is this? And last but not least, I may or may not have purchased the Natasha Denona Mini Star Palette. I might have. This is so pretty. Guys, how pretty is this? So pretty. It opens like all the Natasha Denonas. It just slides up. Isn't she pretty? So it's kind of small, but it's 5. Yeah, but it's 5 of her colors. And I would swatch them, but I cannot. I will tell you why I cannot. Because this is going into my giveaway. I'm going to film that tomorrow. I have been talking about this giveaway for a couple of weeks now, and with all of the spoilers and everything else going on, it's just gotten by me. And it was going to be just my $250,000 giveaway, and I have a few things set aside. And I went to order this a couple of days ago, and my subscriber numbers have been going through the roof. And I thought, well, I may get to 500 before I get this out there, which is amazing. And I cannot thank you guys enough for coming and watching and being here for me. And to say thank you, I wanted to do something. So I'm adding this Natasha Denona palette to my giveaway. So I will be taping my giveaway tomorrow, and I will be on to tell you all about it. Yay! So that is the end of my Sephora haul. I got a really unusual group of things this time, but I felt like I bought with a purpose. I wanted to try their shower gel and coconut dry shampoo. Who doesn't want to try that? Mom picked up a few things. I needed my foundation. I needed a new setting spray, which is dried down lovely. I don't feel tacky at all, which sometimes can be an issue with setting sprays. I needed a new beauty blender, odds and ends. So it was a great haul, but a little weird. And I will let you guys know how these little things work out for applying glitter. The reviews were fantastic. I can't imagine how it would stick to it, but I'm anxious to find out. I will see you guys very soon. Thanks for coming by. Please like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I put my next video up. And I will be back tomorrow with my giveaway. Bye, guys.